Hello YouTube and welcome to my new tutorial. In this one I'll show you how to get quickly free food from DoorDash, and I'll show you one promo code that is available for everyone. And in this method it will take like 3 to 4 minutes and you'll be able to get, well, let me show you. This promo code will give you $150 in your DoorDash credits absolutely for free, so you'll be able to get free food by covering the whole order with this balance from the promo code. So you'll be paying for the order, for the delivery fee, and maybe a tip to the courier, the driver. So if this is something that you want to see in your balance, make sure you watch the full video and let's get into it. Okay guys, so now let me show you how this free food method works, and we'll be using a promo code again, as I said in the beginning of the video. And this is what you need to do. If you have the DoorDash app on your device, you'll need to delete it first, but don't worry, we'll be downloading it again from another website. That's because that coupon only works the first time you open the app, and if we download it from App Store or Google Play, it will not come with $150 promo code. So this is what you have to do. Delete the DoorDash first, and even though it works for any iOS or Android device, there's one step that is exclusively for iPhone users only. So if you have an iPhone like me, go into your settings, scroll down till you find home screen group of settings, and make sure that show in app library is enabled. That means if you have an iPhone, make sure that show in app library is enabled. If you find it out like this, turn it on and we are good to go. So now to download the DoorDash and get the promo code, open up a browser and go into this website right here. It's app library. Right here, open it up, and when it loads up in a search bar, just type in DoorDash, and there it is, DoorDash with $150 coupon. Click the download DoorDash with $350 coupon for future orders. Click on the app icon and click download. Now give it a few seconds while it checks if your device is compatible with the app, and it should be. Again, there are no requirements for the app because we just deleted the app. That means we can definitely download it again from this website. You only need storage space, but it should not be a problem. If it is, you'll know. Anyways, this is the final step, guys. Now we need to complete a device verification by completing 3 free offers from the list below. After that, the DoorDash with $150 coupon will start downloading automatically. Now, this is the final step, guys. It should take you like 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, as you'll see in my video, you get a $150 coupon. So now I'll start by completing free offers. I'll start with scanner app. It says follow the instructions on the next page. So I'll do that. Let's see. Okay, it says that I have to search the App Store. I have to search for iScanner and Scanner app. Find this app. Okay, so it turns out I only have to install and open the app. So it's really simple. Should take me like 20 seconds. So let's do that. I have to search for iScanner, and I already know what I have to find. Because I'll give you a little tip if you're still watching. Once you use up that $150 coupon, you can just delete the app and re-download it again, and do that as many times as you want. I deleted the app just for the video. That's why I know how the device verification works already, because from my past, but it's really simple. Okay, so I downloaded this app, opened it, and that is one offer completed. Now I'll go and complete 2 more offers. I'll fast forward this process and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, so I just completed the device verification. It took me a few more minutes, but I got it done. Now, once you completed all 3 offers, you have to return to your browser because that will start the download process. And if the DoorDash doesn't start downloading automatically, just refresh your browser and then it will. And if I return to my home screen, you can see I have the DoorDash app back on my device. I'll just open it up. And the promo code should be pre-applied, so I don't have to enter anything. I'll go into payment. And as you can see, right by the DoorDash credits, I have $150 to spend. And that's, as far as I know, the best free food method for DoorDash. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.